ChatGPT. Some use it for homework, others for coding. But we are gonna use it to create materials!
But Pnina, how will a text tool help us to create so beautiful stuff like those before it will destroy humanity?
Great question, Bars. He's my AI assistant. Wait! Destroy humanity? GPT can't create something complex like this on his own, but he can give us the values of the real-life material we're trying to replicate, and then we can put them inside of the principal bsdf node. And those values should be accurate. So like real-life ones, right buddy?
Yes, Pnina, you are right. We can give you values that are for sure accurate, but only if you will ask on a very specific way or in a very specific chat and only on every other Friday.
What? Bars, that's not what we said!
Just bluffing about the Friday part.
Let's just start. How hard can it be? For the demonstration, let's try to create a material for a jumping rope with him. One like this. No, what is all of this? Bars!
Yes, Pnina.
Why is...
You want me to help you understand what he gave you instructions to create a real rope?
Yes, Wait. How did you know that? You probably use your superpowers to read my thoughts and...
You wrote it all over the wall so you will not forget. And you need to tell him you are in 3D.
Oh, okay. I will add that. Bars!
What now?
I need to read all of this?
Just press the read aloud button.
I need to listen to all of this?
Add that you want it short.
Oh, okay. I can do that. Bars! 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 Bars!
It better be good this time, Pnina.
I lost the chat.
It's saved on your account.
I don't really have an account.
Just take this and leave me alone.
Ooh, what is this?
The perfect prompt that works every time. Just change the X to jumping rope and add an image of a real-life object that you are trying to replicate.
But what if I don't have a jumping rope at home? It's pink. I want to make a blue one.
Just take a picture from Google.
Oh, that's smart. Hey, Bars! What? But Hi, Pnina from the future is here. After I got out of the shock, I entered the prompt Bars gave me, and it worked! This was the material, only with the values that he gave me. And I got to say, this is pretty awesome. I did needed to create an account to upload the image though. Now, I'm gonna give you this valuable prompt for free. Because I love you guys. So here it is. The perfect material creation prompt. We do not take any responsibility if this does not work for you. And yes, it might look like it written in a stupid way because it is. But we don't care because it's working amazing for us. And this is, guys, how you turn text into a material.